This is the easiest 4-ingredient no churn vanilla ice cream that has the perfect vanilla flavor and sets into the ideal creamy and velvety yet firm and scoopable consistency in the freezer. It's perfect for making sundaes and making desserts a la mode, but it's also my go-to ice cream base for making all kinds of flavors. I'll show you how at the end of this video, but for now, here's how to make this homemade vanilla ice cream. Start by whipping 2 cups or 240 milliliters of cold heavy whipping cream in a chilled bowl until you reach stiff peaks using either a hand mixer or a stand mixer with the whisk attachment. Once you achieve stiff peaks, set the whipped cream aside in the refrigerator while you move on. Add a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into a separate medium bowl and add your vanilla flavor, which could either be 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean paste, or 1 scraped vanilla bean. I went with vanilla bean paste here, followed by a pinch of salt. Whisk all of that together, and one of the perks of the vanilla bean or bean paste is these amazing flecks of vanilla throughout. Pour the sweetened condensed milk mixture into the bowl of whipped cream from earlier and fold the two together until fully combined and smooth. Again, look at those vanilla bean flecks, they make me so happy. Add the vanilla ice cream mixture into a container you can freeze. I always use a standard loaf pan. Once it's all in there, smooth it down and cover with plastic wrap or aluminum foil, then freeze for 6 to 8 hours, after which it becomes perfectly set, scoopable, and ready to enjoy. The texture is creamy and velvety and so refreshing, and this recipe makes the perfect base for making all kinds of flavors. I recently added some cookie dough chunks and mini chocolate chips to make a cookie dough ice cream, and wow, it was insanely delicious and did not last long at my house. I've also used this as a base for strawberry shortcake ice cream with ribbons of strawberry reduction and shortcake crumbles, berry crisp ice cream with homemade berry filling and baked oat clusters, classic mint chocolate chip, s'mores ice cream with toasted mini marshmallows, graham crackers, and fudge ribbons. I've infused the whipped cream with lavender to make a blackberry lavender ice cream, and so much more. I have all of these recipes and even more flavor ideas linked in the video description below, but even as is, you won't believe how incredibly easy and delicious this vanilla ice cream is. I hope you love it as much as I do. And if you love dessert recipes and videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my blog at sugarandsparrow.com for even more. Thanks for watching.